welcome back to my channel. You lot can see that I'm looking cute or whatever. This is my natural hair, by the way. You know I cut my hair last year. Go and watch the video. I did a big chop. So that aside, you can see by the title that I'm going to be doing a vlog of graduating doctors. That means I'm in a medical school, so doctors will be graduating. They are not students, so hey. Doctors will be graduating today, pharmacists will be graduating today, nurses will be graduating today. And why it's special is because we have some strong Kiki Zone supporters graduating. You know what? I thought of the outside. Apart from flowers, what exactly can you actually give a graduating doctor? I could help them keep this memory so that each time they just remember this day, they could just come to this vlog and I know. I'm just going to do a short prayer for them at the end from the bottom of my heart because they've been so good to our family, Kiki Zone, you know the vibes. Anyway, you guys can see that I'm looking cute. I need to point that out again. So I'm just going to move straight because I'm running late. You guys can see I've not left the house. I'm sweating a bit, but I'm just going to move past that quickly. So I'm just going to go to a flower store, get like bouquets of flower, I think 3 or 4. Then I'm going to try get the clips of when they call their name to get their diplomas, and then present the flower to them and just take a joyful, video or clips. I'll take joyful clips of their whole day. That's what this vlog is going to be about. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Peace out. You can never look too good. We're at this flower store. Ooh. Oops. So far, I've been able to get 6 bouquets, so hopefully.
Благородну професію. Ваша професія є найбільш затребуваною і найбільш потрібною. With this outstanding achievement on the receiving of medical degree today.
Whoa!
You and your families have to be proud of what you have done today. I believe that in the life of each person there are very important dates, very important events, kind of milestones. Such date you have today, it's a very special and memorable day today. Today actually you are getting the ticket to your future life. You have entered this university 6 years ago. And single-minded people. Yes. It means that you successfully passed all necessary exams.
That's right.
And you can be proud of yourself now.
You know.
Please remember that you have chosen the most prestigious and most noble and most respected profession in the world.
Easy.
That's why never betray it. Don't quit. And may the Lord help you in your future professional activity.
Amen. Whoa! Whoa! Pause.
Батьки дарують дітям добрий след. Обрали ми розумом і серцем найкращий в світі університет. Ми насолоджуємо вам здоров'я.
Карбівський Ігор Олександрович, Квасньовська Валерія Миколаївна, Келлер Микола.
Таня, Даніел, Василя. Обоє, Женева і Тома. Ректорат і весь професорсько-викладацький склад щиро вітає вас з успішним закінченням університету, присвоєнням кваліфікації лікаря, висловлює тверду впевненість в тому, що ви щастя випускника Тернопільського національного медичного університету імені Івана Яковича Арбачевського.
Thank you so much. Thank you, love. I appreciate you so much.
За результатами
Інституту медсестринства прошу встати для прийняття клятви лікаря-провізора.
Heavenly Father, surround those who are graduating with your grace. Bless them with hope so that they move into the future with eager and open hearts. Help them to put the knowledge, skills, and insights gained through their education to use for the good of all humankind. Inspire them to believe in the goodness of life even when faced with challenges and difficulties. As they commence with their lives, may they grow ever more grateful and wise. All of this we're asking in the name of Jesus. Amen.